What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on this beautiful classic looking 2024-21 Montauk by Boston Whaler, maybe on the boat. We're going to start off with the transom of this 21 Montauk. We're equipped with a white 200 horsepower Mercury V6 engine. This is the max horsepower on this boat. You could also do a 150 if you wanted to. This boat has the aft seating package here, which gives you these back seats with cushions. Otherwise it would just be a bare fiberglass seat here. Very nice feature. You have your fill here in the transom well, fill up your tank. 2 speakers back here. This boat's actually equipped with the cockpit table, which now is right here in between the seating. This boat also has the teak package. Really classic look to it. You see we have it on the transom swim platform where you board, as well as up here on the gunnels and right where your footrest is too. Really gives this whaler a classic look. Then you have the upgraded seat here where you get 4 rod holders, have a live bait well underneath the seat with the blue interior, which is actually insulated, so you can use that as a cooler. If you want to put your drinks, your snacks, or sandwiches down there. 2 more cup holders back here, as well as some knife and plier storage. Now this is also bolstered. Having a bolstered seat's really nice, whether you want to stand up and drive, you have more walking space through here, or you can drop the bolster down, give yourself a little bit more leg space. Off the hard top, you actually get another 4 rod holders here. Really nice white frame on this, matches the rest of the white interior of the boat. And I already pointed out the teak step here, which is great. You have the optional trim tabs, Mercury throttles here, Simrad VHF, 2 cup holders, plenty of charging ports. Your Simrad electronics, which is standard on all Boston Whalers. You can do either 7 or a 9. You have your JL audio right here, Mercury gauges and switches, as well as the optional compartment here. Now moving forward, you actually have a head down here. This is the pump out head. Plenty of space down there. This boat just arrived, so we still have the prop down there, as well as the owner's bag. Plenty of storage. Now off the front of the console here, you have this igloo cooler, which can dub as a seat, as well as another cooler that's insulated, more drink space. Now also, what's great about this boat is you have the high railing up here, low railing in the back, so you still feel secure up here in the front with this high railing. So plenty of people can hang out up here, feel secure, something to hold on to when you're moving. It's great if you have kids or some smaller pets. You also have the seats up here with these backrests, 2 cup holders on both sides. Cup holders are integrated into the cushions as well. Now, up in this front portion here, you have your anchor locker and another storage compartment here, which the cushions are separated, so you can lift up this aft cushion. You can see this is the insulated cooler here, or you could use those storage for life jackets. You have that. And then you can lift up the forward cushion. They're not connected. It's your anchor locker. Then you have a cleat forward here to be able to put the dock line out, or you could cleat off your anchor. Those are your nav plates all the way forward, as well as a spot to put your rope around where you can guide it to your cleat here. And that's going to wrap up our video today on this 21 Montauk. If you want to come see it, come by MarineMax Jupiter. Call today. Don't forget to ask for Chad.